it up for Mondre. Did you see that? God, he looked like Prince, didn't he? I mean, man. The birds, they stay nice. They don't move. But good. Happy New Year, 2011. All right, went out today. I can't take people, man. I got no patience for it. All day long, I watch people behave and I get upset. I was at the Starbucks. This woman, she ordered a scone, a muffin. I don't know what the hell it was. But they gave it to her in a brown bag. And then she was eating it. She was like fingering the muffin. Take it out of the bag. Get a plate. What? Are you eating crumbs? It's everywhere you go. All right, I went to Subway to get a sandwich. Why is this a problem? It's a sandwich. Got behind the guy, it looked like it was his first time out ever. Just a look of bewilderment, confusion. Came up to the counter. How does this work? What do you do? What do you do here? It says step 1, pick bread. You don't see that? You don't see the steps? What kind of bread do you have? There's a poster with loaves. You don't see the loaves? And thank God there was a glass partition between this guy's head and the condiments, man. He saw the vegetables, his head almost popped off his body. It actually came out of his torso. And it looked like one of those pigeons back there. Just, I'll have one of that. And I'll have one of that. Picking out specific tomatoes. Not that one, the fourth one. The fourth one underneath that one. It's not a puppy. And I feel for the guy working there all day long with his plastic mittens on. Right, listening to these requests. This guy made up his own rules at Subway. It's like, I'm not gonna get any of those peppers or any of that mustard, so just double up on the turkey. It don't work that way. The sandwich is $5. They're losing money already. You want double meat for no veg? And the guy said, I can't do it, man. I can't do it. All right, it's never good enough. Why? Why can't you do it? Because the cameras are looking at me. Come back. What do you want? It's awful, man. All day long. I mean, I'm getting it even from my father. My father, he wants to learn the internet now. This is his thing. Call me up on the phone. Now, I don't know if anybody's ever taught anybody the internet over the phone. This is virtually impossible. My father is an Italian immigrant from Sicily, okay? Been cutting hair his whole life. He doesn't know anything about technology. He called me up one day from Chicago. He's like, yeah, I want to learn internets. So, right, you can't use internet terminology with somebody who doesn't know a computer. You find that right away. You can't use the terms. I said, Dad, you got to open up your window. He's like, why? It's freezing outside. I said, Dad, do you see a blue E? You see a blue E with a sphere? You see that? So you gotta click that twice. He goes, okay, is that what the foot pedal's for? Foot pedal? He had the mouse on the floor.